Lalo, the yellow pencil, looks at the blank page and trembles with fear. Lalo lives in a pencil case on top of a wooden desk. He is a new pencil with a shiny tip and a pink eraser on his head. Today is his first day at school. Today he is going to draw for the very first time. He is excited, but also afraid. The white page is very big. Lalo looks at it and looks at it. The page is empty, without a single line. What am I going to draw? Thinks Lalo. And what if I do it wrong? Lalo is afraid. His friends draw very well, but he has never drawn anything. He is afraid of making mistakes. He is afraid of the big white page. That is why he does not even want to start. His tip will not move at all. Drawing is very hard, thinks Lalo. What if my drawing is ugly? What if everybody laughs at me? The little yellow pencil does not want to try. He prefers to stay quiet and silent in the pencil case. That way nobody sees his mistakes. The sun comes in through the window and warms the desk. The desk is full of colors and paper. It is a perfect day to draw. But Lalo keeps trembling in front of the blank white page. His little legs feel weak. Lalo breathes slowly. It is only one line, he says to himself. I just have to try one time. But the fear is stronger than him. Lalo does not move. What is Lalo going to draw? Next to him, the colored pencils draw beautiful things. The red one draws an apple. Lalo looks at them with fear. The red pencil draws a round and shiny apple. Look how easy it is, says the red one. He makes one line and another, and it is done. The apple looks real, good to eat. The red one draws without any fear. Lalo wishes he could do that. The blue pencil draws the sea with many waves. The green one draws a big tree full of leaves. They all draw fast and happy. They all know how to draw, except poor Lalo. Lalo watches them in silence. Lalo looks at his friend's drawings and feels very small. I can't do that, he thinks. I can't draw anything at all. The fear grows and grows inside him. He wants to run away and hide. Why don't you draw, Lalo? Asks the red pencil. Lalo does not answer anything. His tip is resting on the page, but he does not dare to move it. He is too afraid. The other pencils keep drawing flowers, houses, and yellow suns. The paper fills up with happy and pretty drawings. Only Lalo's page stays white, empty, with nothing at all. It looks so cold and empty. Lalo wants to draw like them. He wants to make an apple, a sea, a big tree. But every time he tries, the fear stops him. I can't, he says very quietly. I can't draw, I can't. Then Gomita, the eraser, arrives. Don't be afraid, Lalo, she says with a smile. If you make a mistake, I will help you. Gomita is small, pink, and very soft. She lives next to Lalo inside the same pencil case. She always has a big and kind smile. I saw you tremble, she says. What is wrong, friend? Lalo lowers his tip, very sad. I am afraid to draw, says Lalo in a low voice. My lines are going to come out crooked. My drawing is going to be very ugly. Gomita listens with patience and a lot of care. She does not laugh at him at all. Everybody makes mistakes at first, says Gomita. Even the red pencil made many mistakes before. But he tried again and again. That is why he draws so well now. Nobody is born knowing, Lalo. You only need to start. And what if I do it wrong? Asks Lalo. Then I erase it and we start again, says Gomita. That is why I am here, right next to you. Making mistakes is not bad. It is part of learning. Lalo listens to his friend and feels a little braver. The fear is still there, but now there is something stronger than the fear, the wish to try. Are you really going to help me? He asks. Of course, says Gomita. You draw and I erase what you do not like. The two of us are a team. Lalo takes a deep breath. He looks at the white page. Finally, he is going to try to draw. Lalo closes his eyes and moves his tip over the paper. He makes one line and another and one more. But when he looks, he only sees a scribble. The first line comes out crooked. The second comes out too long. The third one crosses the other two. Lalo squeezes his eyes shut and keeps moving the pencil, trembling with fear. His 2 hands are shaking. I knew it, thinks Lalo. It is horrible. It is just an ugly and crooked scribble. He wants to stop. He wants to hide in the pencil case. The fear comes back, bigger than before. He almost gives up completely. Easy, keep drawing, says Gomita beside him. Do not look yet. A drawing is not made with just 1 line. Keep moving, little by little, without fear. Lalo breathes and goes on. Lalo makes a big circle. He makes some rays around the circle. He makes a curve here, a little dot there. He does not know what he is drawing. He just keeps moving his tip, with his eyes almost closed. The tip runs by itself across the paper. Some lines come out wrong and Gomita erases them very carefully. Others stay. Little by little, a shape begins to appear on the page. But Lalo still does not dare to look. He keeps his eyes shut tight. Can I look now? Asks Lalo with fear. Almost, says Gomita. 1 more line, the last one. Lalo makes the last line, closes his eyes very tight and asks, what did I draw? Lalo opens his eyes slowly. On the page there is a huge yellow sun with a big smile. The scribble has turned into a beautiful drawing. Lalo cannot believe it. Did I make this? He asks. Of course, says Gomita, very happy. You drew it all by yourself. I only erased a couple of crooked lines. The drawing is yours, all yours. The sun in the drawing shines in the middle of the page. It has long rays and 2 happy eyes. It is a bright yellow sun, just like Lalo. I like it, says Lalo. I really like it. I like it a lot. He jumps with joy on the desk. Now Lalo is not afraid anymore. He wants to draw more and more. He draws a white cloud. He draws a red flower. He draws a green mountain. Each line comes out better than the last one. How fun it is to draw without fear. The other pencils come closer to look at the drawing. How beautiful, Lalo, says the red one. You did not know how to draw, and look at you now. Lalo smiles happily. At last he feels like one of the pencil case. He is not afraid of anyone anymore. He feels proud and happy. Lalo and Gomita keep drawing together all afternoon. A sun, a sea, a garden full of colorful flowers. The white page is not scary anymore. Now it is Lalo's favorite place. Lalo learned something very important. We should not be afraid to try. Making mistakes is part of learning. And you, what are you going to draw today?